Came through drift, came through drift. Diamonds on my wrist, they drift.
Give me a little something to remember. Tryna make love in the sprinter. Bitches drop a nigga like Kimber. Looking like a right swipe on Tinder. Shit on these hoes. Let up my wrist on these hoes.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AshaKosh back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Asha. Some people call me Asha or they call me Kosh, or they put it together and call me AshaKosh, whatever you prefer. So I know y'all aren't used to me looking like this, but as you guys can see, I look completely different. I look like a whole nother person. I look like Kosh Ash, not AshaKosh.
Boy, if you don't get
Okay, I don't even know. Like, I look like a completely different person. You guys can tell, like, my eyes aren't my eyes. Like, girl, you got green eyes? You always had green eyes? No, boo, these are contacts. And I just want to talk about them because, like, I've gotten so many questions on my Instagram, my live, about my contacts. So I was just like, you know what? Here is a full detailed video on my contacts. So I got my contacts from TTDEYE, the Third Eye company. It came in this box right here. You can just, there's gonna be like a video of me opening it up there. And basically I got 6 contacts. They're all colored contacts. They also come with their own case and like tools. So like if you have nails or you don't know how to put on contacts, they have like these tools in here that's gonna allow you to do it. I personally wear contacts every day. If I don't wear contacts, girl, I can't see. So you know, I wear them all the time. So I don't really need those tools. But I got them in so many colors. Right now I have in green. I got blue, like hazel. I even got this like colorful one that has like a rainbow, an orange color. Basically, I want to look eye crazy. Whenever I post a video or a picture with the contacts, you guys, and I'm gonna link this video so you guys, so people will be like, where are the contacts? Girl, I got them from here, and they actually look very natural. This is a color contact site, so you can also get color contacts and you can get prescriptions. Mine have prescription in it, baby, so I might be wearing these a lot more often because I can see out of them. They're actually really cool. Only thing that I could say that is like kind of crazy about them is like the pupil, it is the same size because you know it doesn't like go smaller or go bigger to your pupil because it's not your real eye. So it's always like the same size. And that was something new that I had to experience with wearing color contacts, and literally I've had them for a day. It's not like I've been wearing them all the time. This is my first time ever wearing color contacts, and I'm glad that I experienced it with this company because I feel like they make really good quality contacts. They were kind of thick and a little bit uncomfortable to put on, but once you get them on, they're actually like very comfortable. I also recommend you to like get some solution when you buy these because it only comes with the solution in the pack. So if you want to hydrate and keep them like nice and you know juicy, you gotta have solution on deck. And yeah, that's a little side note. I just wanted to say that. I'm gonna zoom in and give you guys a little closer look into these contacts. You see what y'all working with, you know, just to show y'all what they look like on me. So like I said, these look super natural. These are green, but they also give me like a grayish color, which I like. The box said real green, like dark green, but when I put them on, this is the color they came with. So they're contacts. So yeah, this is what they look like. Really, really, really like different, right? They block out all of my brown eyes so that they're really like opaque. They're really like, you know, that's why they're so thick, so that they can hide all the color in your natural eye, which I kind of mess with. So yeah, these are the contacts. This is what they look like. I just wanted to show you guys, just give you guys a quick video about my contacts, where I got them, what they look like, and you know, how they feel, and give you guys just a natural unboxing review of these contacts. I really like them. If you guys want them, I have a coupon code, I believe it's AshaKosh. It's going to be linked in the description, also with a link to all of the contacts that I got, so you guys can, you know, look brandy like I do. And I hope you guys are being safe and staying home, since we are, you know, in quarantine in this coronavirus pandemic. I'm gonna keep putting out content, you know, because I know we're home and we're bored and we just need something to watch. So like, I got you. I'm gonna keep on giving y'all stuff to watch. And thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.